In this video, we will know that how to fix Windows System Assessment tool has stopped working on Windows 7. So how to fix in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is right click on taskbar and click here task manager. Click here file and click here new task run option and click here and type here event vwr. Okay, and check this checkbox and click here ok button. Okay, and after that guys, click here Windows logs and click here applications and delete all these logs. Clear logs, click on it and click here clear and click here security and click here clear logs. Click here system and click here clear logs. Click here setup, there are no any logs. Now close this window. Now guys, we are going for next method. Minimize it and launch again this task manager. Click here run task and type here regedit and check this checkbox and click here ok. And guys, under registry editor, click here this class root and click here this star. This is star, only star key, and click here this selects, expand it and click this handler, context menu handler, and guys find here winrar winzip. If there are winzip, delete it. If there are winrar, delete it. Delete this key, also delete this key. Okay, if there are winzip and zip, all delete. Okay, now close this window. After that guys, launch any browser and under search box find here CCA cleaner, C cleaner, and download it. This is the first link, click on it. Okay, now click a free download. Now guys, open download folder. So guys, find and download this same version, this version, and click on run as administrator. Okay, 5.14. Next, and uncheck this checkbox and install, and uncheck this and click here finish. So guys, after that, click here the registry option. Click here registry and scan for issues. Click on it and all checkbox should be checked here and click here fix selected issues, this tab, and click here yes. You want to backup change to registry, yes. Desktop, take the backup for this registry and click here fix all selected issues. Now click this checkbox. Now click this button close. Now guys, you can see here there are no issue found. Now close this window and restart your PC and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.